But I guess maybe when I'm grabbing stems, maybe some are expiring. I don't know. I don't see any though.
Alright, group's ready. Pulling in 3, 2, 1.
The Apex Vanguard's weaponized digestive system can launch acidic gel up to 100 meters. It doesn't matter how fast they are if there's nowhere left to run. It may seem like these challengers have managed to meaningfully injure the Apex Vanguard, but nothing could be further from the truth. We call this groundbreaking innovation photogenesis. Its efficacy is profound. Even heavy artillery fire can't keep pace with this regenerative power.
We need to kill the lights immediately. Destroy the central power transformer, then pull out the backup battery cell.
While nearly immortal in the light, the Apex Vanguard is truly lethal at night.
Oh, great! Lara, we need a neutralizer.
Every second the creature stands in darkness enhances its strength and lethality, thanks to our patented darkness overdrive and defense system.
The chamber's sealed. The only things in there are... Wait. Maybe you could use the backup battery to run the equipment.
Ground team, do you copy? Move the battery to the neutralizer station as soon as possible.
Tired of throwing the kitchen sink at Jedi, only to have him throw it right back?
Get the battery to the air filtration system now!
With our innovative new Crimson Venom aerosol, you'll have them trying to use the Force to push away the very air they breathe.
Balance.
Got him.
Oh no. You need to cleanse.
But it's okay. Take your time.
Fred,
Nothing
if you can.
serious.
Thank you. How could you imp my clean floor?
I know, right?
It's fine.
Sick of frantic
Timmy, you're up.
chasing down elusive targets? We sure are. That's why every Apex Vanguard comes equipped with state-of-the-art, multi-target guided missile batteries.
The disruptor pulse will break that target lock, but it will completely drain the battery.
Trauma?
You can recharge it in the central transformer.
Oh my lord.
Go Apex. Let's go.
Hudson.
I don't even know how I had 4 stacks right there. It's crazy.
No problem.
Predator J if you can.
Every Apex Vanguard is equipped with our signature
Ooh.
Apex Voltinator.
Ooh.
This model
Did I grab any of those? Oh, I did.
and
2.
defensive blunt miss.
That's fine. I'm not gonna get there like right away.
For attackers to
I just
interfere.
drop and pick this up. Okay. Okay, that's fine.
This might hurt.
Are
heard.
you going to use those stacks or they're going to like waste?
No, it's fine. Yeah, that's good.
Okay.
Yeah, I won't need any extra than usual.
Okay. So in the next position I'm going to just drop 4, I guess? We'll see. Rockets.
Okay, I'm back. It's coming.
Stem. Red Venom.
Holding you. Watch out. Drop it.
I almost got it in.
Rockets.
Got the boss.
Or not.
Same again, Ma. I'll keep him close to the acids here.
Flares.
Oh, yeah, actually, I did acid first.
Oh wait, yeah, it's like an.
It's okay.
Venom.
It's okay.
Venom,
I'll keep him here. It'll be Vaulting next.
Killing this group here. Here-ish. 6 battles. The swash. You got one. Ulti?
Flares
Going to be
done.
like
Pretty good.
There you have it.
I shouldn't have used that. Oh.
there's 6. You're going to leave 1.
Take it.
It's
So that you
Bloodlust,
have
by the way.
it on flares.
Oh, yeah, you're fine.
I'm going to kill some of those flares, I guess.
Brandon, if you have it.
Actually use Steam's contagion. Never mind. We didn't even click it. Ulti?
Well,
Brandon, if you have it. I need more goo.
The more killing now.
Okay.
You have 3 there. Actually 4.
Oh, let me drop this.
Can you not drop it in the old contagion? Because you take a lot of damage going back in the old contagion.
That battery's
You want
fully
to kill
charged.
2 more.
Illusion 10.
Battles are going to be horrible. Okay.
Deluge.
1, 2, flush.
Ultraviolence.
Ultra, DCDs. Four, next position.
Asian, 1, 2, 3. Need one more. God damn it!
I'm going to blow a lot of close to us. Missed.
I need a cleanse ma too.
Oh shit, I already finished.
1, 2.
Want me to take boss?
Let me take it in a second.
I think it's okay.
I'll take it right now.
Huge. That's amazing. Good job.
So we did progress.
Can we move up?
There's
Good.
four
Well-
four battles supposed to be
Oh.
mass.
Trauma, if you can.
I'll do it.
He'll drop some stacks here, which would be nice.
I'm going to drop more paddles close to mass. You need more? Bolts? No.
How many have I got? 1, 2, 3. Yeah, take them all to mass, that's fine. I'll get 1, and I'll pick up those 3, and I'll have 4 for Venom. And then I'll grab another 2 for Venom later, if I need it.
You're dying.
I'm getting close to mass 10.
Trauma. Oh shit, I might just do that and get 3 there.
I'm feeling all close to mass. Or no.
Yeah, it's okay.
only-
Predoji, if you can, please.
I'm moving up. More
Yep.
room. You need more room.
Deluge.
You're going to be
coming
cool.
now.
Drop it, drop it.
Yeah, I dropped it.
Deluge.
More walls.
Deluge. 1. 2.
There's 4 in red venom. So that'll cover all the red venoms. How are you on DCD's balls?
One more box. He's good. Okay, move box. Move
Out.
box.
Okay.
Okay, we're good.
I'm gonna take after Ultra. Make sure you got stims running.
You good?
It's okay, I got boss.
I'm not sure if we can keep everybody.
I need. Can you click red venom, please, boss?
Yep.
You cast already? Yeah, cast mass, right?
Yes, mass is out. Yep.
Want me to take again?
Not yet. I got 2 more cooldowns.
God damn, I had to use my. Oh.
Get ready.
Rip guarded by the Force.
Mass.
Mass,
You mean-
Kimmy.
Alright, is he sad?
If we push before Ultra, push hard. Push hard.
Let me know if
Last
you need
ditch.
to
I got
stay.
stims first.
Everybody
Okay.
DPS.
I'm right here.
It's not going to be another mass, I think. Just push.
Our raid buffed.
Get him up.
Red
get him
buffs. Balls. Stim and take right now.
up. There is no mass up outright.
Taking.
It's okay.
Oh, why did you
No
jump?
fireballs. Christ.
It's
I
okay.
was right
It's okay.
there.
Call your stims, or use Sablewood.
200k, 200k, 100. Kill. Just kill! Let's go!
Good job.
Why did he leap? I was standing right next
You
to
were
you.
too far.
guys.
Christ.
It
right
must-
next to him.
It must be 4 meters. It must be 4. I know. I know it's deceiving. Good job though. Well done.
was here. Oh, that's amazing. Thanks, guys.
People died.
Oh,
We
nice.
did it.